been in this business for more than 100 years. All of us are selling fuel. The technology has evolved over a period of time. But somewhere we find that the trust, there is some deficit in terms of customers feeling that whatever they are paying, whether they are getting the fuel or not. So there is a slight trust deficit still. We have been investing in technologies like automation. All our pumps are connected centrally there. We can monitor the product delivery as well as quality. That apart, we are also reaching to the customers to explain them the kind of safeguards that we have in our system, the kind of controls, the kind of checks that we do. So this is a unique program wherein the government of Goa has joined hands with us. In fact, they have nudged us to create some kind of a customer awareness program so that customers will be more aware on what they are getting at the fuel pumps.
They have also received complaints like, when people fill up their tanks, the tank is empty, but when you fill up the tank, sometimes you fill up on an empty tank, it's 39, say a bigger car, it's 39 liters. The next time you go to fill up, it's 41 liters. So there is this kind of confusion, and I personally have faced this. And when you look into the owner's manual of the car or the car company, it does not tell you the capacity of the fuel tank. So even car companies need to make sure that the fuel capacity, the tank capacity needs to be mentioned.
HPCL आज अवेरनेस प्रोग्राम तो आमच्या कंज्युमरा खातीर जो घडोवन हाडलो म्हणजे एवरी टायम कंज्युमराच्या तकलेन एक नाल्यार एक विचार आसता बाबा पेट्रोलान कितें गडबडी आसता नाल्यार पेट्रोल घालपी आहा तो कितें गडबड करता म्हणून आयज तेणें दाखोवन दिलें अशें कांय जायना म्हणून पूण एक अवेरनेस दाखयलो लोकांकूय दाखयलो लायव्ह डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन दाखयलें पेट्रोलान कितें मिक्स जाता तें दाखयलें काय जायना तें दाखयलें एक बरी गजाल कितें HPCL फुडें येयली
प्रोग्राम हो केला म्हणजे विथ HPCL आमच्या कंपनीन केल्लो आसा इन एसोसिएशन विथ लीगल मेट्रोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट wherein both the department as well as the companies come together to spread awareness. आता सेक्रेटरी बाबान सांगल्या प्रमाणे there lot of misconceptions are going on around आमच्या पेट्रोलियम ट्रेडाचेर खूप लोकांचे एक विचार आसा की हांगा कानान घालतात तशें करतात सेटिंग करतात ताजे बद्दल अवेरनेस करपा लागून हो प्रोग्राम केला. Message is that we have to be aware first. We have to know that there are packaging rules. Every product has to be packaged. It should have its price on it. It should have its weight on it. And it should be, properly marked, ISI mark or FSSAI mark if it is a food product. These are measures which the government has taken to ensure that there is safety of the product and quality of the product which goes to the consumer. Consumer is the king today. Consumer affairs is a big subject. A lot of court rulings have come in favor of the consumers, and imparting knowledge to consumers is our job, and this is part of this knowledge imparting. So we have also worked on some targets, and every month we fix a target in terms of what product do we have to do these checks. Checks are continuous, so every month we decide on a product and we try to give some targets to our. It is not sort of a raid or something, but it is an inspection. So if you are adhering to proper packaging, proper information on the packaging, you are adhering to all the rules as far as weight is concerned, the packing is concerned, we have no issues. But if you have some discrepancy, then of course we'll book a case against you.
The inspection turns into violation if into raids if there are violations.
Violations are found. We have found a lot of violations in many aspects, and continuous cases have been booked and penalties have been imposed.
Yes.
The consumer affairs department today is key in giving this consumer awareness. We have partnered with HPCL आणि हो प्रोग्राम तो घडोवन हाडला कस्टमरांक आनी ह्या कंज्युमरांक दाखोवपाक बाबा फ्युअल पंपार गेलो जाल्यार तांचो डिस्पेन्सिंग युनीट कसो आसतलो तो भितरल्यान कसो ऑपरेट जाता तांणी कितें चॅक करपाचें तांची डेन्सिटी कशी चॅक करपाची मेजर कसो चॅक करपाचो सारकेंच पेट्रोल येता उणें येता कमी येता तें कशें चॅक करपाचें ही म्हायती कंज्युमरांक आसपाक जाय. फाटल्यान उलोवन फायदो ना. पयलें जेन्ना फ्युअल पॉयंट आसा त्या पॉयंटार तुमी फ्युअल करतात त्या पॉयंटार हे प्रश्न विचारपाचे आनी म्हायती आसल्यार जायतेच प्रश्न सुटावे जाता.
So we are bringing this consumer awareness campaign this week. This program is held in Vasco. It is the first program. We are going to have it at 2 other HPCL units. One is in Margao and one is in Kalangut for North Goa. So among these 3 localities, we are going to bring this awareness of how fuel is dispensed, what is the measure to be checked, how the density and how the dispensing is to be checked. All this awareness we are going to create with this program right at the customer, at the fuel station itself. So I think it's a positive program from HPCL. A lot of work has been done by the department also, the Department of Liquor Metrology and Civil Supply. And I think we expect a lot of people to take advantage of these programs, go check for themselves how these fuel stations run and what they should check when they fuel their vehicles.
So apart from